Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey there, ever thought about earning a little extra cash just by using your phone? It sounds surprising, but your unused mobile data can actually be a valuable asset. Most of us subscribe to plans with more data than we truly need, and that leftover allowance often goes to waste. Imagine turning those unused megabytes and gigabytes into actual money in your pocket. It's a pretty clever way to make your existing mobile plan work harder for you, effortlessly. The basic concept is quite straightforward. You essentially lend out your internet connection to others. These platforms act as a bridge, connecting people who have unused data with those who need it, perhaps for market research, content delivery, or bypassing geo-restrictions. When you opt in, your device routes a small portion of someone else's traffic, safely and securely, through your network. For every bit of data transferred, you earn a tiny commission, making it a passive income stream. So, how do you actually start? There are a few well-known and trusted platforms designed for this very purpose. Services like Honeygain or PacketStream are among the most popular. You simply download their app, install it on your device, and allow it to run in the background. It's important to remember these are legitimate services, often used by companies for web scraping or market analysis. Always make sure to download from official sources and read user reviews for peace of mind before getting started. To really maximize your earnings, consider a few smart strategies. First, the more devices you connect to these platforms, the more data you can share, leading to a larger payout. Think about installing the app on your old phone, tablet, or even a spare computer. Second, consistent uptime is key. Try to keep the apps running whenever your devices are connected to Wi-Fi. Many services also offer referral programs or daily bonuses, which can significantly boost your overall income over time. Before you jump in, here are a few final thoughts for a safe experience. Start small, perhaps just on one device, to get a feel for how it works and to monitor your own data usage and battery life. It generally uses very little of either, but it's good to check. Always connect through secure, private Wi-Fi networks and only download the official applications from their legitimate websites. Selling your unused mobile data can be an easy, passive way to earn a little extra, making your phone plan even more valuable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.